very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with the mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic today is in the heart of every democracy lies its constitution, to be respected, upheld and cherished, as in its principles lies the promise of a brighter tomorrow. Ladies and gentlemen, in the annals of human governance, democracy stands as one of the most celebrated forms of government, revered for its promise of equality, freedom and justice. However, the survival and progression of a democracy are not guaranteed merely by the existence of democratic institutions. Central to the strength and longevity of any democratic society is its adherence to the Constitution, the supreme law that governs the land and provides a blueprint for the governmental system and its functioning. The Constitution not only embodies the collective will of the people, but also serves as a bulwark against tyranny, corruption, and the erosion of public trust. The Constitution protects public rights and liberties while simultaneously upholding the stability of the democratic processes and governance. Adherence to the Constitution and its principles is thus crucial for the success of any democracy. Having said above, let's understand the value of the Constitution further, as it is truly the bedrock of a democracy. A Constitution is more than just a document. It is the foundation upon which the edifice of democracy is built. It defines the structure of government, delineates the separation of power, and enshrines the rights and freedom of citizens. Adhering to the Constitution ensures that power is exercised within the confines of the law, preventing the emergence of autocracy or arbitrary rule. Moreover, the Constitution serves as a social contract, fostering a sense of unity and common purpose among the citizenry of a nation. One of the most compelling reasons for adhering to the Constitution is its role in maintaining the rule of law. The rule of law is a cornerstone of democratic governance, ensuring that all individuals and institutions, including the government itself, are accountable to the law. Without strict adherence to the Constitution, the rule of law becomes fragile, leading to the potential for abuse of power, injustice, and social unrest. In contrast, when the Constitution is respected and followed, it provides a framework for resolving conflicts, protecting rights and liberties, promoting social harmony, and encouraging good governance. What could be the pitfalls for a democracy in spite of having its Constitution? Let's explore it. First is unchecked power. Democracies must prevent concentration of power. Historical examples such as authoritarian regimes or unchecked executive authority highlight the dangers of unbridled power. A constitution with clear checks and balances prevents such excesses. Second is erosion of civil liberties. Democracies should guard against erosion of civil liberties during crisis. Emergency measures if not constitutionally constrained, can undermine trust. Learning from instances where civil liberties were compromised helps democracies strike a balance between security and freedom. The third is electoral integrity. Ensuring free and fair elections is crucial. Instances of electoral fraud or manipulation erode public trust. Democracies must strengthen electoral processes, enhance transparency, and protect against interference. Having said this, let's look at some of the lessons history teaches us when constitutional erosion occurs. One of the most striking cases is that of German Reich before the Second World War. The Weimar Constitution, adopted in 1990, was one of the most progressive constitutions of its time, guaranteeing civil liberties, social rights, and democratic governance. However, the failure to adhere to this constitution, aggravated by political instability, economic crisis, and the rise of extremist ideologies, led to the collapse of Weimar Republic and the rise of Nazi regime. This tragic episode underscores the importance of upholding constitutional principles even in the face of adversity. There are current examples too of countries which once had stable democracies with well-established constitutions. However, during the course of time, successive governments undermined constitutional norms by concentrating power in the executive, weakening the judiciary, and curtailing press freedom. Such actions led to a deep political and economic crisis with severe consequences for the people. The lesson here also is clear. When the constitution is disregarded, democracy is endangered and the public's faith in democratic institutions erodes. Data from the Varieties of Democracy, VDEM project, which tracks the state of democracy worldwide, reveals that constitutional erosion is often a precursor to the democratic backsliding. Countries that experience significant declines in constitutional adherence are more likely to see declines in democratic quality, including reduction in civil liberties, electoral integrity, and political pluralism. This data-driven insight emphasizes the critical role of the Constitution in maintaining the health of a democracy. Let's also look at lessons which history teaches us about the converse to the above, where upholding the Constitution during challenging times resulted in flourishing of democracy later on. First is the United States during the Civil War and subsequent Reconstruction. The US Civil War was a period of intense national crisis, threatening the survival of the Union and its constitutional principles. The post-war Reconstruction era was marked by efforts to rebuild and integrate formerly enslaved people into the society and restore national unity. Despite the enormous pressures of civil war and the deep divisions within the country, President then Mr. Abraham Lincoln and Congress insisted on preserving the Constitution as the foundation of governance. The passage of subsequent 13th, 14th and 15th Amendments expanded constitutional rights, abolishing slavery, granting citizenship to all persons born or naturalized in the US, and protecting voting rights regardless of race. The commitment to constitutional principles thus laid the groundwork for the eventual flourishing of the American democracy. Second example is India during the emergency, 1975-1977. In 1975, the state of emergency was declared in the country, suspending constitutional rights, censoring the press, and imprisoning political opponents. It lasted for 21 months and posed a severe threat to the Indian democracy. There were, however, individuals within the judiciary, civil society, and the political opposition who remained committed to constitutional principles. The 1977 general election which followed resulted in a resounding defeat for the government as the Indian electorate rejected the suspension of democratic norms. The post-emergency period saw a renewed commitment to the Constitution and democratic governance. The experience served as a powerful reminder of the dangers of authoritarianism, leading to greater safeguards for democratic institutions and the preservation of civil liberties. The resilience of India's democracy has been attributed to the robust constitutional framework that survived this crisis. The third example is of South Africa and its constitutional transition in 1990s. South Africa was deeply divided under the apartheid regime, which institutionalized racial segregation and discrimination. As the system began to collapse in early 90s, the country faced the challenge of transitioning to a democratic society. South African leaders committed to a constitutional process to guide the country's transition. The negotiations led to the adoption of new constitution in 1996, which enshrined fundamental rights and established strong democratic institutions. The new South African constitution is widely regarded as one of the most progressive in the world, providing a solid foundation for the country's democracy. It helped the country transition peacefully to a multiracial democracy. South Africa has since held regular free and fair elections, and the constitution has played a critical role in promoting reconciliation, social justice, and the rule of law. Fourth example is Germany's post-war constitutional reforms, 1949. After World War II, Germany was in ruins, both physically and politically. The collapse of the Nazi regime left the country with a daunting task of rebuilding its political system and restoring the rule of law. The West German Basic Law, adopted in 1949, was crafted with a deep commitment to preventing the abuse of power. The Constitution established a strong systems of checks and balances, protected individual rights, and emphasized the rule of law. West Germany and later the unified Germany experienced remarkable political stability and economic growth in the decades that followed. The commitment to constitutional democracy helped Germany become a leading nation in Europe, known for its strong institutions, respect for human rights, and robust democratic governance. Upholding this constitution, which emphasized human rights, federalism, and democratic principles, enabled Germany to rebuild and become a stable and prosperous democracy. Last is Spain's transition to democracy, 1978. In 1975, Spain faced the challenge of transitioning from authoritarian rule to democracy. The country was deeply divided, and there were fears that political violence would derail the democratization process. Spain in 1978 adopted a new democratic constitution which established a parliamentary monarchy, protected civil liberties, and decentralized power to regional governments. The constitution was the result of broad consensus and compromise among various political factions. The 1978 constitution has been the cornerstone of Spain's democratic system, leading to decades of political stability, economic development, and integration into the European Union. Spain's successful transition is often cited as a model for other countries emerging from the authoritarian rule. Ladies and gentlemen, above few examples illustrate that even in the face of adversity, a steadfast commitment to constitutional principles can lay the foundation for the flourishing of democracy. By adhering to the constitution, these nations were able to overcome significant challenges and build stronger, more resilient democratic societies. All above provides lessons for modern democracies to avoid the pitfalls. Let's look at them. To avoid the pitfalls that have beset other democracies, modern democratic societies must take proactive steps to safeguard their constitutions. One of the most important lessons is the need for strong institutions. Independent judiciaries, free media, and robust civil society organizations are essential for holding governments accountable and ensuring that constitutional norms are respected. Furthermore, constitutional checks and balances must be rigorously enforced to prevent the concentration of power in any one branch of the government. Transparency and accountability are also key to maintaining public confidence in the democratic systems. The governments must operate with openness, allowing citizens to see how decisions are made, ensuring that those in power are held responsible for their actions. According to Transparency International's Corruption Perception Index, countries with higher levels of transparency tend to have stronger democracies and greater public trust in the government institutions. This correlation highlights the importance of transparency in upholding the Constitution and maintaining the legitimacy of democratic governance. Education and civic engagement are equally crucial. A well-informed and engaged citizenry is more likely to defend constitutional principles and hold leaders accountable. Democratic education programs that emphasize the importance of the Constitution, the rule of the law, and civic responsibility can help cultivate a culture of constitutionalism. Moreover, promoting active participation in the democratic process, from voting to participating in civil society, can empower citizens to play a more active role in safeguarding their democracy. The times are changing and young leaders are coming forward. They are going to be the guardians of the democratic processes in future. There is a message for them. As the torchbearers of tomorrow, young leaders have a unique and profound responsibility to protect and nurture democratic institutions. In a rapidly changing world where challenges to democracy are increasingly complex and multifaceted, the role of young leaders is more critical than ever. They must recognize that the Constitution is not just a relic of the past, but a living document that must be upheld, interpreted, and defended in the face of new challenges. One of the key messages for young leaders is the importance of ethical leadership. Adherence to the Constitution requires a commitment to principles that go beyond personal or partisan interests. Young leaders must embody the value of integrity, fairness, and justice, ensuring that their actions are guided by the Constitution rather than by short-term political gains. By doing so, they can help restore public trust in democratic institutions and prevent the erosion of democratic norms. Furthermore, young leaders must be vigilant in defending the independence of institutions that safeguard the Constitution. This includes supporting an independent judiciary, protecting press freedom, and advocating for the rights of marginalized communities. In a world where democratic backsliding is a growing concern, young leaders must be the first line of defense against any attempts to undermine constitutional governance. Let our actions echo through the corridors of democracy, for a constitution upheld is a nation's heartbeat sustained. In conclusion, there is a call to uphold democracy's foundation. The importance of adhering to the Constitution in a democracy cannot be overstated. For modern democracies, the lessons are clear. Strong institutions, transparency, accountability, and civic engagement are essential for avoiding the pitfalls that have plagued other democratic societies. And for young leaders, the message is unequivocal. The future of democracy depends on their commitment to upholding the Constitution and safeguarding democratic institutions. By embracing this responsibility, they can help ensure that democracy not only survives but thrives for generations to come. In conclusion, let's be clear. In the heart of every democracy lies a constitution. Let it beat strong, for in its pulse we find the strength to endure and thrive. As we walk the path of democracy, let the Constitution be our unwavering guide, for in its principle lies the promise of a brighter tomorrow. Thank you and God bless.